Cloud9 dropping that first game to SKT, not really to the surprise of many, but this is their chance to find that first win and get on the board. Nicely played by Cloud9 so far. They find themselves cut off by the Miasma. Realm Warp comes in, gets them all out. Westor's now the one who's forced to slither away. Flash gonna be coming out as well. Impact makes the rotation, and the damage is there over the wall. First blood.
Put up boost to engage one side.
Can I ulti and Cassio?
Yeah, we can. I can cancel. Okay, go. Watch the ulti.
Oh wait.
Oh shit.
I need help.
No, we fight, no. Oh, J4? We kill both, nice.
We'll flash right after him, landing the root. Now Westor showing up, dropping the Miasma. True Shot Barrage coming down. They're bringing in the cavalry. And Jensen grabs the kill onto Ziv. Now Westor sticking around a little bit too long. Petrifying Gaze not quite going to be finding the stun today. Contract looking to chase him down. But now the combo is interrupted and Sneaky grabs the kill and him out. Cloud9 cannot allow themselves to fall into the same trap or they might suffer the same fate. Now on, maybe collapsed on here, Cloud9. 5 men strong, we're gonna take down the AHQ bottom lane. Root comes out, damage comes through, Wild Growth is there, but it will not be enough. On goes first, Albus goes second, and Cloud9's looking for Baron.
The mid top.
I'm half HP.
I'm looking Lulu. I'm looking Lulu. Nice, he's dead. Walk out, no flash.
Yeah, just back, came back, no flash.
Nice. Walk up mid after. I ulti, okay, Jensen? We can just...
Smoothie grabbed a good chunk of his health bar on that one, but Impact is channeling the TP to make his way into this fight. Not quite gonna do it just yet, but the Realm Warp is down, and Impact is now delivered into the back line. On gonna be hit by the ulti, but the damage is ultimately on the Mountain, who gets knocked right out of the fight himself. Westor's gonna be next. The Petrifying Gaze will buy him enough time to escape, but On is quickly squished under the foot of the Nautilus. The root comes down. Ziv is taken out just a little bit, not quite yet. Taken out of the base. Cloud9 will take down AHQ and get themselves their first win.